Electrolyte Micronutrients. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of electrolyte micronutrients. These tiny powerhouses are essential for our health and vitality, and by the end of the video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what they are, why they matter, and how to maintain the right balance. Let's start with the basics. What are electrolyte micronutrients? Electrolyte micronutrients are minerals that carry an electric charge when dissolved in water. These minerals include calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, chloride, and phosphate. You can find electrolytes in various foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and dairy products. Why are electrolytes important? Electrolytes play a crucial role in our body's functioning. They are especially vital for athletes. They help regulate muscle contractions, nerve impulses, and maintain proper hydration levels in our cells. An imbalance of electrolytes can lead to various health issues such as muscle cramps, fatigue, irregular heartbeats, and uneven seizures. Sources of electrolyte micronutrients. To ensure you get an adequate supply of these micronutrients, it's essential to have a well-balanced diet. Fruits like bananas and oranges are great sources of potassium. You can also get calcium from dairy products like yogurt and cheese. And don't forget that water is a crucial carrier for electrolytes in the body. Maintaining electrolyte balance. Now that you know the importance of electrolytes, let's talk about how to maintain the right balance. Stress and intense exercise can lead to electrolyte loss, so it's essential to stay hydrated and replenish electrolytes, especially after a workout. You can also incorporate electrolyte-rich foods into your meals. Salads with spinach, almonds, and avocados are a tasty way to boost your magnesium intake. Electrolyte imbalances. Electrolyte imbalances can occur when the levels of these essential minerals in your body become too high or too low. These imbalances can have significant impact on your health. For instance, too little sodium can lead to muscle cramps, even seizures. Conversely, excessive sodium can cause extreme thirst and dehydration. Athletes and individuals who engage in vigorous physical activity need to be especially cautious. Sweating during exercise can lead to significant electrolyte losses, potentially resulting in imbalances. Maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and listening to your body are crucial to preventing electrolyte imbalances. If you suspect an electrolyte imbalance, essential to seek medical advice. A healthcare professional can diagnose the issue through blood tests and provide guidance on how to restore balance. Remember, understanding and maintaining the right balance of electrolytes are essential for your overall health and well-being. It's a delicate equilibrium that ensures your body functions optimally. Electrolyte supplements. In some cases, you might need electrolyte supplements, especially if you have specific health conditions, engage in intense physical activity. Supplements come in various forms, from tablets and powder to drinks and gels. The recommended amounts of electrolytes. Now, the recommended amounts of electrolytes can vary depending on a person's age, height, activity level, and specific needs. Here are some general guidelines to consider, but it's important to note that individual requirements can differ. Water intake. The foundation of maintaining electrolyte balance is staying adequately hydrated. A common recommendation is to drink at least 8 ounces of glasses of water per day, but individual needs can vary significantly based on factors like climate, activity level, and personal factors. Some people may need more water, while others may need less. Sodium. Recommended daily intake of sodium for most adults is around 2,300 milligrams per day. However, active individuals who sweat a lot may need more to replace what is lost through perspiration. Potassium. The recommended daily intake of potassium for adults is typically around 2,500 to 3,000 milligrams. Athletes and those who engage in intense physical activity may require more to help with muscle function and reduce the risk of cramps. Calcium. The recommended daily intake of calcium varies by age and sex. For most adults, it ranges from 1,000 to 1,300 milligrams per day. Adolescents, pregnant, lactating women, and older adults may need more calcium. Magnesium. The recommended daily intake of magnesium for adults is typically around 310 to 420 milligrams for males and 320 to 360 milligrams for females. Athletes and individuals with muscle cramps may benefit from higher intakes. Phosphate. There is no established daily recommended intake for phosphate. It is abundant in many foods and deficiencies are rare. The recommended amount of phosphate in the diet is typically sufficient for most people. Chloride. Chloride is usually consumed in adequate amounts through salt in the diet. No specific daily recommended intake is provided as deficiencies are rare. Keep in mind that individual requirements can vary based on factors like age, sex, body size, and activity level. For personalised recommendations, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, such as a registered dietitian or sports nutritionist. They can assess your specific needs and create a nutrition plan that addresses your unique requirements based on your age, height, and physical activity level. Additionally, specific medical conditions may also influence your electrolyte needs, so it's essential to consider those factors as well. Common myths and facts. Let's debunk a few common myths about electrolytes. Myth: all sport drinks are healthy and packed with electrolytes. Fact: many sports drinks contain added sugar and artificial ingredients. It's crucial to read labels. Myth: electrolytes are only important for athletes. Fact: while athletes have increased electrolyte needs due to sweat loss during exercise, electrolytes are essential for everyone, not just athletes. They play a vital role in various bodily functions and maintaining overall health. Myth: you should consume sports drinks daily to stay hydrated. Fact: sports drinks can be helpful for replenishing electrolytes after strenuous exercise, but they are often high in sugar and calories. For everyday hydration, plain water is usually the best choice. Myth: electrolyte supplements are a quick fix for dehydration. Fact: electrolyte supplements can help in certain situations, but they are not a substitute for proper hydration. Dehydration should be addressed primarily by drinking water and other hydrating fluids. Myth: all electrolyte-rich foods are equally effective. Fact: different foods contain varying types and amounts of electrolytes. Consuming a diverse range of nutrient-rich foods is important to get a balanced intake of electrolytes. Myth: electrolytes can only be obtained from food and supplements. Fact: while food and supplements are common sources of electrolytes, water is a sufficient carrier of these minerals. Staying properly hydrated is key to maintaining electrolyte balance. Myth: electrolytes can cure hangovers. Fact: electrolytes can help with rehydration after alcohol consumption, but they won't cure a hangover entirely. Hangovers involve a range of factors, including alcohol's impact on the body and dehydration, which electrolytes can help address to some extent. Myth: you can never consume too many electrolytes. Fact: excessive consumption of certain electrolytes, such as potassium, can be harmful and lead to health issues. It's important to follow recommended daily intakes and not overdo it with supplements. Myth: children and seniors don't need electrolytes. Fact: electrolytes are important for people of all ages. Children and seniors can also experience electrolyte imbalances, especially if they have specific health conditions or dietary restrictions. Remember that while electrolytes are essential for health, balance is key. It's important to consume them in the right quantities and in combination with balanced diet and proper hydration. And that's a wrap. Electrolyte micronutrients are the unsung heroes of our health, keeping us energized, hydrated, and ready for any challenge. Remember, a balanced diet and proper hydration can help you maintain your electrolyte balance. Thanks for joining me in exploring the world of electrolyte micronutrients. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay healthy, stay energized, and keep those electrolytes in check.